Let's talk about SkyVac's commercial 75 range. And I'd like to point out the main differences between the two. And to be fair, it's one electric motor. So the original commercial 75, which in Australia will still continue to stock, is a twin motor system, a wet-dry gutter vacuum system at 2600 watt. 100 inches of water lift, is a standard 10 amp circuit or 3.4 kVA generator to run this original commercial 75. Has 7,166 litres a minute airflow. New to the range and an upgrade is the commercial 75 plus. So it has one extra motor, is 10,500 litres per minute airflow, but still at 100 inches of water lift. It requires a 5 kVA generator to run it or 15 amp power supply. So a massive upgrade in performance. Still the same features: blown moulded trolley, blown moulded capture tank, quick disconnect capture tank from the trolley, and an easy tip in regards to emptying that debris and debris from that capture trolley when you are carrying out your gutter cleaning. Comes with the wire reinforced hose. Both come with the elite poles, so the vacuum release and the handle, and we can see this is a standard double-storey kit with the hairpin goosenet and the array of attachment and features. So the new commercial 75 upgraded to the range. Both are here to stay. With slight adaptation, we can do also high internal dusting and vacuuming. So to do that, we'd add a brush kit to the pole height selection of choice. We would change out a filter if required. You could run the original gutter vacuum washable gauze filter with the deflector that protects that from dirt ingress, and we could adding that HEPA filter will be a more finer filter for the capture of dust. So versatile in two different genres, but the best thing about these two systems is they're priced the same. So you can get the 10 amp version at 7,166 litres a minute, 100 inches of water lift, or the 15 amp version, which is 10,500 litres a minute airflow at 100 inches of water lift. Two great machines, multi-genre, can get you gutter cleaning today. You can see the prices at ionicsystems.com.au, and I'll put links below. Check out all our videos on our YouTube channel, which is labelled Blue Tongue Industries. So there is a gutter cleaning genre there where you can see all the gutter cleaning videos plus all the other genres that we do cater for here in Australia and Southeast Asia. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next video.